Welcome to HomePan TriPro. Today, we're diving deep into a cookware set that promises both elegance and exceptional performance, the Gotham Steel Hammered Collection 10-piece premium ceramic cookware set. We've spent a good amount of time putting these pans to the test, and we're ready to share our detailed findings with you. Right off the bat, the Hammered Collection name isn't just for show. These pots and pans boast a beautiful hammered finish that genuinely makes them stand out in the kitchen. It's a design that's both eye-catching and practical, adding a touch of sophistication without sacrificing everyday usability. But beyond the aesthetics, Gotham Steel claims this set offers a triple-coated, ultra-nonstick surface, even heating, durability, and a suite of convenient features. Let's break down what that actually means for your cooking. One of the biggest selling points here is the ultra-nonstick surface. Gotham Steel highlights their ceramic and titanium coating, emphasizing that food should just slide right off. In our testing, this held true for the most part. Everyday cooking like frying eggs, searing pancakes, and sautéing vegetables was remarkably easy. There was minimal sticking, and the need for oil or butter was significantly reduced, which aligns with their promise of a healthier cooking experience. This ultra-non-stick quality also makes cleanup a breeze. Wiping down the pans after use was often all that was needed, and when a deeper clean was necessary, they are dishwasher safe. Speaking of healthy cooking, Gotham Steel proudly states that their coating is derived from minerals and reinforced with diamonds, making it free of PFOA, PFOS, lead, and cadmium. This is a crucial point for many home cooks looking to avoid harmful chemicals in their cookware. The absence of these toxins provides peace of mind, knowing you're preparing meals in a safe and eco-friendly manner. Even heat distribution is another core feature they emphasize, thanks to a solid aluminum core construction. We found that the pans heated up relatively quickly and, more importantly, distributed that heat evenly across the cooking surface. This means fewer hot spots and more consistent results whether you're simmering a sauce or searing a piece of meat. This even heating contributes to better cooking control and ultimately, better tasting food. Durability is a key concern with any cookware, and the Gotham Steel Hammered Collection claims to be scratch-resistant and metal utensil safe. While we always recommend using appropriate utensils to prolong the life of any non-stick surface, these pans did hold up well to moderate use with metal utensils. The hammered finish also seems to add an extra layer of resilience against minor scuffs and scratches that can plague smoother finishes. The convenience factor is strong with this set. Not only are they dishwasher safe, making cleanup incredibly easy, but they are also oven safe up to a very respectable 500 degrees Fahrenheit. This extends to the tempered glass lids as well, which is great for those recipes that start on the stovetop and finish in the oven. This versatility is a big plus for modern cooking. Another significant feature for a wide range of users is that these pots and pans are induction capable. This means they will work on gas, glass, and induction stovetops. It's important to note, however, that the baking trays included in some configurations of this set are not induction compatible, so be mindful of that if you have an induction cooktop and plan to use those specific pieces. The handles are designed to stay cool to the touch, a thoughtful feature that enhances safety and usability during cooking. No more frantic searching for oven mitts just to move a pan around. And finally, Gotham Steel backs this set with a 10-year limited warranty. This suggests a level of confidence in the product's longevity and provides a good safety net for consumers. Now, let's talk about the pros and cons based on our experience. On the positive side, the aesthetic appeal of the hammered finish is undeniable, making it a stylish addition to any kitchen. The ultra-non-stick performance is excellent for everyday cooking and significantly simplifies cleanup. The healthy, non-toxic coating is a major advantage for health-conscious individuals. Even heat distribution leads to more consistent cooking results. They are oven and dishwasher safe, offering great versatility. The induction compatibility broadens their usability, and the cool touch handles are a welcome safety feature. The 10-year warranty adds considerable value and peace of mind. However, there are a few points to consider. While the set is marketed as scratch-resistant and metal utensil safe, it's still wise to be cautious with sharp utensils to maximize the lifespan of the non-stick coating. Some users may find that very high heat searing for extended periods can still eventually impact the non-stick properties over time, as is common with most non-stick cookware. Also, while the baking trays are oven safe, they are not induction capable, which might be a limitation for some. The overall durability and long-term performance, especially under rigorous, daily use, will ultimately depend on how well the non-stick coating holds up over years, though the warranty does provide some assurance. In conclusion, the Gotham Steel Hammered Collection 10-piece premium ceramic cookware set is a strong contender in the modern cookware market. It successfully blends attractive design with functional performance, offering an ultra-nonstick experience, healthy cooking options, and user-friendly features like oven and dishwasher safety. If you're looking for a stylish, easy-to-use, and versatile cookware set that can handle a variety of cooking tasks, this collection is definitely worth considering. Link in the description.